Thanks for being here today to discuss Paycom's latest solution, VigilCore. Can you start by telling our viewers your role at Paycom?
Of course, I'm Ella, I'm part of the Paycom team. We help businesses find solutions that not only keep them secure, but also make their daily operations more efficient through electronic security. VigilCore stands out as one of the most comprehensive platforms out there.
That's interesting. So, Ella, let's get into VigilCore. Can you explain the solution to our viewers?
Absolutely. VigilCore is a scalable cloud-based security and business management solution. It brings together in one system access control, intrusion alarms, video verification, and centralized alarm monitoring.
So, how does having everything on one platform really make a difference for businesses?
Great question. When all solutions are on one platform, it streamlines and simplifies things for your team. You don't need separate systems for access control, alarms, CCTV, etc. And with all solutions on one platform, customers get a better user experience. Scalability and compatibility aren't a problem, providing long-term solutions to businesses. This not only improves security and efficiency, but also reduces costs and chances of errors, leading to a faster return on investment. And with the cloud-based subscription model, predictable costs make budgeting and forecasting easier.
That's impressive. And I've heard VigilCore can also handle maintenance remotely.
Yes, VigilCore makes life easier with automatic updates and remote maintenance. Your system always runs the latest version without any hassle. And with remote support, you won't need to rely on on-site technicians, saving time and money.
That sounds like it could be a huge help, but what about training? Is it time-consuming to learn?
Not at all. Since VigilCore is a unified solution, you only need to train your team on one platform. It's intuitive and easy to use, so you'll save on labour costs and get your team up to speed much faster.
This sounds like a real game changer for businesses looking to streamline operations. What's the next step if our viewers want to see how VigilCore can work for them?
Viewers can request a no-obligation demo to try the solution themselves and see how VigilCore can simplify their security and business management in one solution.